guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I'm going to try and do some swipes tonight. This is my color place. This is semi-gloss, which I think that's why it's a little bit too runny. Of course, it's outside here too, so it's a little warm. But and I put a little bit of GAC 800 in it. I'm just going to put some down, and we're going to start swiping. I have all kinds of cell activators, and I'm planning on using several of them. And we just want to play tonight. So this one is Prussian blue. No, I think it's Payne's Gray. No, it's Prussian blue. It might be Payne's Gray, I'm not sure. We've got black. So, well, my paint, see how it's runny it is? I am going to start. Now, there's another artist out there. Her name is Sonja, Pouring with Sonja. And she did a minimalistic swipe with putting it all in a puddle. This is Liquitex red oxide. This is TLP in, oh, that's a little bit runny. There we go. This is TLP in mango. I want my paints to be really thick for this. This is, I don't want that next to it. I'm going to put the gold down. This is TLP ore. This is Liquitex bright blue. And we are going to finish with Colourarte in Firefly. And maybe a little bit of quinacridone nickel azo gold. That's a lot of colors. All right, they're all really thick though, that's good. So let's try this in black. Just because. And I am going to put it down on a plate, paper plate, and swipe from here. And even the cell activator is kind of thick, which is good. That's what I want. All right, what are we going to swipe it with? This is a 6-inch tile. Ooh, I like that. Holy moly. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm liking this combination. That didn't get too much cell activator. I wonder if I should try and swipe it again. I think I will. I don't know if it's going to work too well. Ah, not bad. A little bit of white cells there, that's fine. So, do we tilt it or do we spin it? I think we're going to spin it first. Oh my goodness, I'm really loving this. All right, let me just get the paint here on the side. Oh yes. I have some 12-inch tiles too I picked up at Home Depot. Oh man. All right, let's try and tilt this baby. I'm not that thrilled with this part here. So we're going to go in that direction first. Although I want to keep that blue. So I want to thank Sonja from Pouring with Sonja, because this worked out pretty well so far. Take it this way. And then back. I want some negative space. I don't know, can you guys see that? I love this color combination. It's not my usual. I'm kind of borrowing a little bit from Cindy van der Veen. I asked her what type of red oxide she liked, and I had just happened to go out and buy the Liquitex, and that's the one that she likes. Oh yeah. All right, I'm going to play with this some more too. Holy Toledo! I think we have a winner. All right. I'm going to swipe more here. It doesn't look very cohesive. Don't know if I'll get anything out of that. A little bit. I don't think I'm going to mess with this too much. There we go. There be the cells. The little white ones, but that's okay. That's what happens when you go too far down onto your canvas or your substrate. You get the white cells, and sometimes it's not bad. I like this up here. It's kind of like a shadow of a webbing. Okay, so kind of wanted to open up those gold lines. I'm not going to do too much more. Where are my tools? All right, stop playing. I think it's good. Okay, I'm gonna take you down for a close-up of this one. So here we go. It's beautiful. That ore is to die for. And there's that kind of ghostly thing. Look at those colors. Very pretty. Whoops, sorry, I'm out of focus. So that's tile number 1. I would say that's a success.